Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County, Ohio, Delaware County, Central Union County, Ohio, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Richwood, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Westerville, Delaware, Gahanna, Marysville, Worthington, Powell, Sunbury, Richwood, Ashley, Minerva Park, Polaris, Easton, Radnor, Shawnee Hills, Galena, Ostrander, Riverly, and Magnetic Springs. This includes Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 116 and 138.